So now more than ever, we need to cleanse. We just do. There's toxins in our body products, in our laundry detergents, in the air. When we travel, we're exposed to toxins. Think about all these channels in our body, the pathway that the lymph goes through. And if we don't exercise all the time, if we don't breathe deep, if we don't get massage, we're not circulating our lymphatic system.
How important it really is, and I think we skip a lot of steps as we're going through, so it's cool that she's showing us how to really do it properly.
Everywhere that the mask is touching me, it feels cool and like I can feel things going out of me.